Hi everyone, it's me Lee with Victorian Dreams by Lee on all social platforms, and I'm finally getting to do the Simply Paisley Scrapbook Kit. I'm doing a double page layout in this kit, and I am only doing it for beginners. I'm only using what's in the kit, okay? This is what we had left over this time, and these two sheets. So this is the kit. This is the book, the album. It's from annagriffin.com. Here is the double page layout. Double page means two. So this is going to be the first page and the back page. You can either do it exactly like this, or you can do it like this. I gave you two different options, but it's the same papers and everything, okay? So let's get started. Let's get started with the first one. See how fast I can get this done. Okay, let's move this out of the way. I'm going to tell you exactly what you need. You need 4 of those, 2 of these. These are going the opposite direction, so you need 2 and 2, but 1 for each page. 2 for each page, because I'm telling you double for both pages. So you need 4 of these, 2 for each page. You need 1 of these for each page, so that's 2. You need both loved. You need 2 of these, 1 for each page, and you need this out of your extra papers. And it is cut at 2.5. Okay, so let's just put it together, and I'll show you the tips and tricks. So I already have the tape on the back, and if you try to get the tape up from the middle and not the end, it will come up easier. Okay, so I have, let me see, let me put this off to the side and let me read. So at a half, I came down a half an inch. Let me scoot it over so you can see it. I came down a half an inch, and I put this as straight as possible. And on that other one, I pop dotted it, and I did not pop dot it on this one, so that's a shame. But let's see how quick I can pop dot this one. I'm not pulling the backing off so it doesn't catch dust and stuff throughout the years. Sorry, I'm not prepared for this part. But yeah, so one was pop dotted on the bottom of the pink. This one I'm going to pop dot on this border, and it's going to be the same but just a little different. I like using glue gun because with the weather and water and humidity. So then, let's see, I have this facing up, and I stick it right in the middle, like that. So let me show you the difference of having it raised one way or the other. I don't know if you can see it, but I actually like this one better. Okay, so now let's get the word loved. And take it off the sticky, and it's going right here. Okay, we have these two, and I already have tape on them. So let's take tape off of that one, tape off of this one, let's see if you can see me. Okay, let's scoot this over. Let's just move this out of the way. I don't need to see it. So I'm going to come over about a 1/2 inch. Put it right here, right underneath or touching that pink. And then this one, if you can see right here, I left a piece of tape that is non-sticky so that we can stick the picture underneath it, because I don't want the tape to be totally taped down. So I will do that before I put it up. So I'm going to put it here, but I'm not going to stick that part down. So I have, this is from tape. I'm going to put that there so it doesn't stick down, so we can put the picture underneath it. Okay. Trying to get some glue, and we're going to put this right here. We got these two, and we have the roses going out from each other, and it's going to go like this. I just put a little dab. I don't take the paper off or anything. I just put a little dab right here. You could take the paper off, but I'm just trying to be as quick as possible. Put that right there. And then all we do is put this one here and this one here. They're stickies, and I love that Anna does that. So it's going here. And let's make sure it faces the same way. Going here. I have tape on this already, so you have to put tape on these little comment cards, and we're just going to stick that right there. That's how quick and easy that page was. So now let's do the next page. And remember, the next page was going different. It was going this way. Just the same thing, but twisted a little. So I think I'm going to do the same and glue this down without putting the pop dots. And we went a 1/2 inch. So let's line this up on my board, and let's go in about a 1/2 inch. But I am going to top dot it to match the front page. Whoa, I'm sorry, I'm not prepared. And since we only have so much time, I'm going fast. And if I need to re-glue anything, I can do it after the video. All links to this will be in the comments, so that if you need to jump over and buy this, I'll have a link for you. So let's take this off. I like to use hot glue because it's fast and it just lasts forever. Other glues seem to, with weather, and I send everything to Florida a lot, and I'm in Texas, but everything I send to Florida, the humidity is crazy there. I have to add some more glue, so I like to add just a little extra. So this is going this way. You see which way it's going, and we're going to just center it and put it there. Let's see how we did this. So we are going to take the photo mats. It comes with everything, and we are going to come down an inch and come in an inch, so it's going to be more or less there. Let's do the next one. And when I craft, I use this mat, so hopefully the glare is not bugging you. So what I'm going to do to line it up to be as straight and the same, I'm going to put it upside down, and I can then line it up like this, and so I know that it is pretty much balanced. So let's see, what did we do here? Put a little glue, and it goes right here. Put a little glue. I didn't pull off the backing because it's just faster to do this, and we go right here. And I have tape on here. I could have used hot glue, but when I was prepping, I went ahead and put tape, and it fits perfectly in between the two. I've got flyaways. So then we have the love, and it is sticky. And we're going to stick it right about there. I tried to coordinate where it doesn't collide the colors or get lost and everything. I wanted, this is a very bright and a lot of colors, so I tried to get stuff that wouldn't get lost. So we're going to put this about here, and then remember these two? They are the same actually, aren't they? Let's see, no, they're opposites. So we're putting one rose at the top and one at the bottom, and then we'll be done. So we're gonna go right about here and right about here. If you wanted to add more, we had so much left over. So there you go, guys. We did a 2-page layout, and look how quick and fast that was. Follow me, and we're going to do 12 of them right in a row every day, a double-page layout. Thank you. Have a blessed day.